So I've been hearing this weird signal on every single ham band from above 20 meters here in at my house in mid-Michigan. And I wonder what the hell it is. I wonder if it's a smart meter or something. Something is generating this. Listen. It's like Dits sent I don't know, 20 word per minute Dits spaced out to 10 words per minute. Listen to this. Here, I'm going to go up to 10 meters. I'll bet I can find it there. Hang on. Yeah, listen. And I bet I can find it in a couple other places in the 10-meter band too. Here, let's go up to 6 meters and see if we can find it there. The hell is that? What is that signal, man? That's driving me nuts. Somebody and something is radiating some kind of mysterious encoded signal in our bands. God, I sound like a weirdo. Oh well. I am what I am. I embrace it. The hell is that signal?